Hello guys, welcome to my new lesson. Today's lesson is second lesson of how to work with edits by Meta, and I think that it will be last video. 2 videos are enough. So if you haven't watched my first video, before you watch this video, go and find it in my playlist, which name is Step by Step. I explained in first lesson everything about edits till here, and after that with this video we will finish it. So inside that playlist I always share very useful programs and I teach you step by step how to work with them. Okay, let's go. If you watched that video, you remember that we added some videos, after that about writing something, adding some musics, stickers, pictures, cutout, and something like that. We did all of them already. We will continue. Okay, if I do editing, you can see that I added 6 layers here. First was my video. Second, I added from here music. It's music of video. Number 3, third layer is text. I wrote something. It's here. Today is the best day. After that, I added one picture or sticks. It's overlay. I added one overlay on video. It's one picture. After that, I add one cutout from one another picture. It is one dog. I added it. And one sticker here. So I just play to see how it works, and after that we will continue. Okay, I can continue, for example, this. At the moment it doesn't work. After 2 seconds it goes. Look, it goes. If you want to continue till end, you can just click on it, and you can see these signs. With hand you can take it till the, for example, end of the video. I think that it's enough. I don't want to waste too much time. Just to show you, you can add these parts and prolong them till here. How about this? Yes, all of them. All of them. You can prolong them for videos till end of the video. How about writing something? Yes, you can. Okay, let's check. Okay, so first thing was about this. We don't have any new things here. I come a bit up to show you. Look. Okay. Everything I explained from here. How to add music, how to add text, how to add voice. If I click it, start to speak, voiceover. How to write captions. At the moment this video doesn't have any voice, but if it has voice you can also choose this option. I think it will be with AI, doesn't need to write something, because if I want to write myself I also can do it with text and seconds one by one, but I think that this will be automated. Overlay was about this dog. I added, look like a picture here. Sound effects was about some sounds, funny sounds, any kind of sounds you want to add to your videos. Okay, stop. Yes, and after the cutout is cutting something from another picture or video and just take it out, look like PNG without any background, to add it to your video. Look, overlay has background. In this picture it has background white, but this doesn't have any background. So what's the difference between cutout and overlay? If you were my student, I would ask this question. Cutout doesn't have any background, overlay has. How about a sticker? It's here. You can use a sticker. So it's finished from this part. Okay, and you saw that in editing bar, you can see that you can prolong them. If you want to change anything, you can just click on it. But before I say, look here, we have some eyes. Yes, you can see. When you are working, sometimes you need to close, not close forever. Just temporary, you want to disable something to check your voice, for example. You can just choose this to check how is without text. Look, it is text. Look, I just at the moment I don't want text. Look, it shows without text. But if text comes, okay? Or I don't want this black duck to check something. I can display it, disable it, sorry. Look, it goes. So for checking something, you can do this. No, you don't want. You change your mind. You just touch it and wait. Okay. Here you have options. So when I click on them, my options comes here. It is different options, not that options. It is different options for each part. So for this tag, I have some options. One of them is split, cutting. One of them is duplicate. I want double it. I don't want prolong with my hand. I just want double like that. And I want to delete it, for example. Okay, I choose delete. Duck went. Okay, it's done. So how about this? Again, same things. You can see some parts are here. To delete it, cancel it, duplicate it. That means double it. Look, I duplicate. It goes to another layer. I have two ducks. Can you see? And if I say split, I cannot because it's the first of video. At the moment I don't need, but the split is cutting from somewhere. For example, from the middle, I can cut this picture to two parts. Okay, so if I duplicate it, it will be two ducks here. And if it is from video, it will be two ducks are moving, for example, something like that. And how about the stickers? Again, same things. You can split it, duplicate, and delete. How about text? Text is different. We have split, we have edit, we have text to speech, duplicate, and delete. So split is cutting from somewhere. Edit is changing. I want to change today. No, I don't want today is best day. So yesterday was the best day. Edit or color or font or anything, it's here. So let's check. I don't know how it works. It's first time I see that. Let's check with Alex.
Today is the best day.
Very good.
Today is the best day.
We can also write, they will
Today is the best day. Today is the best day.
Okay, I choose it. I really like it. Let's check.
Today is the best day.
You don't need to speak yourself. I really like this option. Really nice feature. Really liked about edits. Shout out to them. It's fantastic. You can write and it will read it for you. Very nice. Very nice. So I used of text to speech. Duplicate, delete, and volume. You want to change volume of this voice. You can a bit come down or up. 100 I think is good. We don't need to reduce it. It's okay. How about music? You see, I think I explained everything about this. How about music? Music also has some options. Split, cut. Volume, you don't want, look at moment, both of them are very high. That woman's voice and music, they are mixing, look.
Today is the best day.
I don't want music be loud. I want to people hear the voice before music. So I can choose the music, come to volume, and calm down a bit. For example, this. Look.
Today is the best day.
Okay, 20% is not good. Maybe I can change again to maybe 60.
Today is the best day.
Also music, also voice together, but not mixing. So it is 60% is good. So I came to music, I came to volume, and I change it. How about fade? When music start and when music finish, you want it suddenly start and suddenly finish, or you want to it start from low sound. Look, for example, I said that in 5 seconds you start. Look.
Today is the best day.
Music is coming up. So fading is like that. How about replace? You don't want this music, you want to change it. You can replace it. I don't do it. Delete. Yes. How about sleep? This music, for example, is long. Its music is not for long for us. You can choose which part of music you want to start from first, or you want to start from middle of music. Okay? So, and duplicate will be again 2 sounds. You will have 2 sounds together. And this for music. How about video? Again, I should choose which of them I want to edit. I should first choose from here. After that, come down from here, this part. Okay, in this part, what we have? Split. You have cut. Cut. How many times you want, you can cut. Volume of that woman. If they are speaking, you can change the volume. I don't have speaking in this video, so I don't need it. Speed of video. Let's check. It's really simple. Compared to CapCut, CapCut has better options because you can have some sinus or sinus things for making loudly and come down and change the speed. Oh, sorry, I said loudly. I changed the speed a bit faster, slower, faster, slower. In CapCut, options are better. Here, just you can change the speed to a bit faster. Everything gets very faster.
Today is the best.
So, but it's okay. How about adjust? You can choose brightness, contrast, everything about picture, video's quality. You can change with your eyes. Temperature will make it, I think, more yellow or white, something like that. And something like that you can check yourself. You can delete the video. Again, we have some filters, some colors, edit videos, background, something like that. You can check. It's changing. Maybe you cannot see very well. I come a bit down. Okay. How about effects?
Today is the best day.
Camera can move. Look. Look.
Today is the best day.
Something like zoom, for example.
Today is the best day.
It goes close to child. Blurring.
It's the best day.
Blurring. It's blur, and after that will be more clear. Some colors like this.
Best day.
I don't like this effect, but you can use for dance, maybe for dancing or something. It's echo.
Today is the best
Look,
day.
it's some echoes. You can choose. It's here in effects. Voice effects. We don't have voice.
Best day.
If they speak, they don't speak. If they speak, you can also add some effects on the sound. You can change it. Extract audio. You want to separate video and its sound. Maybe you want to do something on that sound, or you want release it, or you just want that sound. Everything you want, you can disconnect video from sound. You can extract it. Mirror. Girls come to left, that woman or teacher or mom come to right. It's mirroring. How about replace? With gallery you can change another video if you want. And sleeps you cannot do here. And duplicate is double. You can double it, you know this. Finish. Maybe you think that working with this kind of programs are hard, but with me It's very important. Your teacher is very important. With me, everything is easy. Not just this application, all applications. I will teach you all of them step by step with easy way. Just please support me. Okay, you can use the quality from here, HD, 2K, 4K, and frame rates. 30 is good, 2K is good. I can export it to gallery. So after I do this, it will go to gallery. So if you have, before it finished, I should explain it. If you have any question about edits, please write in comments. And if you know anything that you want to add to my lesson, add to my topic, or you want another program, you want I, for example, record video about, for example, InShot, please write it. Which program do you like? Which program do you want to learn? Please write the name. I will teach you all of them. Just please write in comment bar that which of them do you want, which of them do you need. I will explain it to you. And that's all. So in this program we had 5, I just reminded, 5 icons. One of them was about saving something or using for editing. Okay, we can see together maybe. Okay, it's here. 5 icons. One of them I come up for you. No, please don't. Okay guys, sorry, camera got crazy. I just explained like that, sorry, because I cannot at the moment stop the video. It's long video. Just explain very fast. It was for notes, for saved, for anything you saved. It was for inspiration, something look like reels, show you other people's videos. Here was your projects. Here is one camera inside of your Instagram, and you can make that video that I did from here. Okay, wait, I check, can I make it better? Okay, sorry guys. Okay, I don't have time. Just show you, it comes to my gallery.
The best day.
Very good. Without any logo, without anything. That's all. I just did it and exported it to my gallery. I can after that share it anywhere do I like. Okay, my dear friends. I explained everything to you. I hope you have very good day or night. Have a fantastic day, good vibe, good energy, without any bad things. Have a good day. Please subscribe my channel, like it, support me, write good things about my videos to support me, because trust me, it's really hard to record videos every day. I know that you understand me, so please help me, please support me. So have a good day guys. Bye bye.